Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and click on I accept. Over here you can customize the wallpaper however you want to. And then click at the top right corner. Now bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!